This video is a part of a longer video about buying iPhone 12 in 2024. I'll put the link to the full video into the description and the pinned comment. If you find this video helpful or interesting, please subscribe to Frytech channel. I would really appreciate it. So now we're gonna have to talk obviously about elephant in the room, and it's cameras, right? Like, it's not even comparable. Like, this little one thing and this, not even a competition, especially the front camera. Because on 6S Plus, I was limited to 720p, 30 FPS. I couldn't even select like 25 or whatever. And here I can go anywhere really. 4K 24, yes, 4K 25, 4K 60, 1080p 24. There is no such setting in the default camera, which is stupid if you ask me. But 1080p 25, yes, 60, yes. The front camera is better, like way better than I thought. It's not as good as main camera, not even close, because it's 2.2 aperture, so it needs to go higher in ISO, and it cannot go as high with ISO. There's a lot of quirks, and I'm gonna be talking about quirks and like some of the downsides of Apple and their planned obsolescence and all of that, and just like my bad experience with Apple and migrating from phone to phone, and like what I've experienced in future videos that will be coming very soon, because I'm already working on editing them. So yeah, just subscribe to the channel. One thing to absolutely mention, like just separately, night mode. Night mode is insane. I'm gonna just put a few pictures on the screen. It's insane. It's just insane what it can do. Like, I was literally walking outside, just the moonlight, and not just like even direct moonlight, but like through the clouds, or like at least passing clouds, and I could make really decent pictures with like not that much noise, considering I'm using this absolutely tiny phone with absolutely tiny sensor, and yet it can create this picture that is like, it is like I've seen with my eyes, and even better. I'll put a few pictures on the screen. I've taken a picture without night mode, and this is how I saw it with my own eyes. And then I've taken a picture with night mode, so it's like 2 seconds. It was usually 2 seconds sort of night mode. It goes to 3 seconds, I think, if it needs to. And the picture it produced was incredible. I think one of the best feature of this phone, truthfully, is night mode, especially for me, because I do stuff in the night. Like, I'm a night person. I'm doing like video editing or writing in the night as well, or like in the late evening essentially. And these night photos are insane. Okay, once again, I'm gonna be making way more content about Apple and iPhones, so subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys, bye bye.